everyone! Welcome to my channel. Another video, another candy haul. So for today's video guys, ayan, I have a new on this, ayan, white and green. So unahin muna natin tong white. I really like this white, okay? So this white, yes, ayan, I bought all the way from Shopee. High cut ni siya. I show you guys the high cut and low cut, okay? This is high cut. It is very sexy when I wear it, okay? This is inside, ganyan siya inside. And then, good quality, this is large. I really like this because you can see here, like that, like a high cut one, okay? So, ganito siya guys, okay? Sa likod, ganyan din siya. So, the other one naman is low cut, okay? This is low cut guys kasi ano siya dito, yung parang kita siya. This is green, ayan, green all the way from Shopee University. Large also, this is Avon siya guys, okay? Ganyan siya, and then, ganito rin siya dito sa harap. This is very sexy to me guys, tanawa. Tingnan nyo na lang mamaya. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Ayan, like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Comment below if you like my video. So, ganito siya guys. Green and white for today's vlog. Ayan. I hope you like it because I'm very excited to wear, especially itong white. This is my favorite. Like, I can wear this every day, itong white. Then, the green one naman is I just want to show you the difference between high cut and low cut. So, this is the high cut and this is the low cut, okay? Okay, let's wear this. I'm very excited. Excited na ako to wear this. Let's go. So guys, this is the white one. Ayan, the very sexy one. Ganyan. Sorry for my pot kasi tumaba na ako. I really like it. Ganito yung maganda yung quality. The quality is good. Ayan, I'm very happy with this. Ganyan. I can wear this like everyday wear. Okay? I'll show you back. Ganyan ang aking bag. This is the high cut kasi hindi siya buo guys. I like it. Hindi siya buo na covered yung kanyang puwetcher. Ganyan siya guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. I really like it guys. And I will try the green one. Tell me guys which one is better, white or green, okay? Comment below because I will read your comment. Ayan guys, I like this one, yellow and green, like a Brazil colors. Ayan, welcome Brazil. I'm just kidding guys, okay? This is the green. I like green, char. It's very cute, very nice. Ayan, comfy also. This is the low cut, okay? Ito siya yung low cut guys, tanawa. Low cut siya, the high cut is like this. This is the low cut. Ayan, Brazil! Welcome to Brazil. Brazil color, yellow and green. Anyway, I like this one also. This is large, ayan. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to... I like the color guys. It makes me happy. Okay, ganyan siya guys. And then kasi syempre pagharap mo, pack ganun. So, the back is also like this pack. Ayan, diba? Maganda siya. I like it. Pack! Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Heart. Thank you for watching. I love you all.